Hello everyone, let's look at the new features and changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26300.7939 and the dev channel. These changes also apply to Windows 11 build 26220.7934 released in the beta channel. It's important to note that the changes in the dev channel are part of the version 25H2, but they are expected to become part of version 26H2. Okay, in this preview, Microsoft is introducing new security and performance improvements for running batch files and command prompt script. As part of these changes, you can now enable the protected execution mode that prevents batch files from being modified while they're running. And this is done by a new registry that the company is adding in the operating system. So let's go to the registry editor. And then according to the company, we have to go to this path. And in here, we have to set the lock batch files when in use to 1. Now, when code integrity is enabled, this change also reduces overhead. Instead of validating the script's signature for each individual command in the batch file, Windows now performs a signature verification only once at launch. This results in faster execution combined with stronger safeguard against tampering during runtime. So I don't have this feature on my computer, but in this release, Microsoft is also expanding the shared audio feature with more granular controls and broader device support. So the operating system now includes separate volume sliders for each person when two Bluetooth LE audio devices are connected for audio sharing. You can continue to adjust the volume for both listeners at the same time through the main volume controls available through quick settings or on-device keyboard controls. As you can see right here, there is also a new taskbar indicator that appears when volume sharing is active. This visual cue makes it clear that your sound is being shared and provides one-click access to the sharing settings. On the hardware side, support for shared audio continues to expand, and it is now available on more Samsung and Sony hardware and in the Xbox wireless headset. And finally, Narrator users can now use the command Narrator key plus / to read content of the state bar in apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. And those were pretty much all the biggest changes that we're going to see in the dev and beta channels for this particular release. The company also notes that it is temporarily halting the rollout of the improved animations when you set the taskbar to auto hide, and there are some improvements for removing Windows Update files and from the Windows.all files when using the storage settings. Also, the company is improving reliability when typing using the ADLAM keyboard. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.